Good morning, everyone. I'm going to tour you into our apartment here in Spain. This is the lobby, or what do you call that? Terrace. And this is the kitchen. That is my not favorite pictures, but and this is quite stuff here. This is the sala and the kitchen over there. This is the bathroom. There I am. Look at me there. This is my sister's, or Haggis, the sister-in-law of my sister. This is her room. It's very clean. Yeah, this is the TV. There I am. This is my messy room, like that, because it's filled up here. I cannot place my things here. So I just hang my sweater over there. And this is a micro. It's really fully equipped apartment. Toaster. Yeah. And this is the ref. Yeah. That. And that. And that. Eggs. This is the freezer. That one. And my vitamins. This is the oven, the stove, and our mess. This is coffee maker. The boiling pot. And that's all. This is a dishwashing and washing machine. Now we are going to the terrace. And not the terrace, the rooftop. You will see what is in the rooftop. And there, this is a barbecue stand. And this is the table. This is jag filmar lite. So this is the, and this is the that, and this is the view over top, on top. This is the view, and that is the view. On top here, And if you do there, it's really sunny today. Look at that sun. It's very nice sunshine. And that way it is a market, or the La Senia Boulevard. It's a big mall. And there it's really blue sky today. We are having sunshine here, and that's food for the birds. But they are not coming to eat. They are afraid. And it's really nice sunshine.
You stand up here, you can take the view that way.
And too short.
No, too soon.
It's in, oh, there, yeah. A little bit I can. Look at that. A view from the rooftop. It's about there. There is the La Senia Boulevard. This way, this part.
It's not that way, right? It's that way.
Oh, yeah, I think it was the bus. No, not the bus. What do you call this?
Because we
Dominus.
walked down and we walked up and we walked down.
Yeah, I think so too. The big mall. Yay. And that's all for today. Bye bye. Now we are going down to the stairs. We go back down here. Going to water the plant. It's not yet done. I'm going to water these plants. They need a lot of water, they said. Nice plants. Here we sit and watch TV, but it's me there on TV. That I like to see also these mirrors. Mirror, mirror on the wall. It's the ships. That's my favorite too. Look at that, very nice one. In my room, my messy room. Look at that, my messy room. Things everywhere in my room. They are glittering. Look there. Yeah. Now I can say bye-bye. Till the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.